Pop a tomato in the air fryer. You won't want to buy from the market again. I'm going to use 3 tomatoes in my air fryer. Then close it, set to 130 degrees for about 15 minutes. Now just open up, peel all the tomato skin off. Done that, now we just blitz in food processor or blender. And let it blend real good. Now just remove it. Set it aside. In a pan, add a bit of olive oil. Put in 3 garlic cloves. A bit of manjito and cow. A level tablespoon of sugar, stir well. Leave it till garlic starts to brown. At this point, add our tomato. Stir well, let it thicken up a bit. Added manya and cow, use your preferred amount. All done, folks. Homemade tomato sauce is ready. Pour into your chosen container. Here, use the glass jar. Keeps 3 days in fridge, up to 30 in freezer. Hope y'all like it. Another little recipe from Pobre in the kitchen. Big hug, guys. Till next time, cheers.